To also launch on Radium, you most likely have to have some sort of developer experience, or coding experience. But I found a tool that you don't need any of that. It's called coinrate.fun, and we're going to be making our first coin, the Kaizenat coin. Now, first thing you want to do is go on coinrate.fun right here and press create coin. Right here, we're going to call it Kaizenat coin. And then Kaizenat. There we go, token symbol. And in the image, we're going to add a right here. We're going to go ahead and save this really quickly. Go. Boom. Coin array. Right here, we're going to drag this into here. And here is a photo of Kaizenat. So Kaizenat, drag into this, put Kaizenat coin, token symbol. You want the supply to be 1 billion. And then right here, you can write the official Kaizenat coin. No phantom tax included. Okay, you're gonna write something stupid and funny like that. And then right here, you don't actually need to turn this on right here, the creator information. You can turn this off. What you're going to have selected is these right here: revoke freeze, revoke mint, and revoke update. Because what this allows to do is right here, as you guys can see, the liquidity is locked right here, meaning that it'll show up as this lock button, which means that you can't take out the money. But what the software allows you to do is take out the money even when it shows the liquidity is locked, okay? So now you're gonna press create token here, and it's gonna show here this, and it's put in your password, and it's gonna say it's not safe, but I promise you guys it's safe. Press proceed anyway, confirm, and then yes, confirm. And there we go, it's creating our token. And as you guys can see, it's going to work. You just have to give it a second. And boom, there we go, it worked. Now you want to copy this address right here and press create liquidity pool. So right here, so for amount token A, you want to put 90%, and then amount token B, you want to put 0.3 sold. That's what I recommend. And you want to press create pool. Now, after you press create pool, you want to press here confirm. And there we go, pool successfully created. And now it might not show up. Okay, there we go, it showed up already, up $6.29. So we're gonna click here, view on Photon, and we're just gonna wait for people to buy in. Let's give it around 5 minutes. We already have around what it looks like here: 44, 50, 52, 53, 50, 56. So we already have around $57 already made. So let's just keep it going for a little bit. There we go, some more people are adding money. Let us keep it going for around 5 to 10 more minutes. I'm gonna be right back and show you guys the end results. And then we're gonna remove the liquidity.